How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Canon printer error code 7800. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply power reset the device. You want to turn off the printer, unplug the power cord from both the wall and the printer itself, wait for around 10 to 15 minutes to simply discharge the power of the device before plugging it back in and see if that works. If not, you want to reset your ink cartridges. Now you want to open the printer, remove all ink cartridges, and reinsert them to ensure that they are properly seated. The next one is to clear some paper jams. You want to open the printer cover and check for any paper or debris or foreign object obstructing the carriage path. And lastly, you want to clean the print head contacts. You want to remove the cartridges and gently clean the metal contacts on the cartridges and install the carriage with a lint-free cloth. And from there, you will be able to simply fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.